Okay guys, so we're back with another week of what is in my kids' lunch, and today Damarion will be having his peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, some white cheddar crackers, some Oreos, grapes and blueberries, his Danimals, and his Juicy Juice apple juice. Damara, her lunch is still light because she says she doesn't have enough time to eat a lot of stuff. So she just will have grapes with strawberries, her P3 protein pack, her juice, and some Doritos. So that is what they'll have for lunch today, and we will see you guys when they get back. Okay guys, so they're back home. So let's see what they ate in their lunch today. Damarion ate a little bit of the crackers. Of course he ate the Oreos. He ate all the grapes. I guess he doesn't like blueberries because he keeps leaving them in there. And he really didn't drink any of this, even though he did. Oh, he didn't drink it at all. It's not even open. And he ate the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I guess he did pretty good. Okay, and Damara's lunchbox, let's see. And she only ate the fruit and the cheese stick, and she did not eat this P3. And this, I get mad when she does this because it's like a waste when she doesn't eat these. And I think it's because she's tired of them. So I'm probably not going to be buying her any more of these. And she drank her drink, but that's it. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, it's Tuesday, and Damarion will be having Mickey Mouse Cheez-It crackers. This is mesquite turkey breast lunch meat, a Rice Krispie treat, some apples, and his Oreo cookies yogurt milkshake. Damara, since she says that she does not have time to eat, she'll have strawberries and blueberries, the pepperoni, turkey pepperoni, and her crackers and a juice. So she's doing a repeat because I forgot to pack their lunches, and so I just kind of threw this together. But we'll see you guys when they get back. Okay guys, we're back, and we're just going to see what they ate in their lunchbox today, if they ate it all. And you can see that Damarion ate everything but his lunch meat. It looks like maybe he ate one piece, but he did eat his yogurt and his Mickey Mouse cheese crackers. He ate the apples and the Rice Krispie treat. Damara ate basically all of hers except 2 pepperoni, and she ate all the crackers but 2. Yeah. And she ate all of the fruit, and of course she drank her juice. Yep. So they did pretty good, I think, for today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, we're back, and it is Wednesday, and Damarion will be having his Danimals and his apples with caramel dip. He'll have carrots and a grilled cheese bagel and the Annie's graham cracker bunnies, and he is going to take a fruit punch juicy juice. Damara is going to take this macaroni cup and her juice, of course, and she has apples And then she has dip in there. And I'm going to boil her water and put it into this container so I can get this hot. And I'm going to cook those in the microwave. And then hopefully when she eats lunch, the water would have kept this warm. We'll find out when she gets back. Okay guys, so we're back. And let's see. Damarion ate his graham crackers, his yogurt. He ate maybe 2 apples and some dip, a couple of carrots, and he didn't. I guess he was not liking the grilled cheese sandwich because it looks like he only took a bite out of it, and he drank his juice. Damara ate her dip, and she ate her apples. And basically she didn't eat any of this. Now she kind of warned me that she tried to eat it, but it doesn't look like she ate any, because she said it tasted old. I don't know. She said the container, me trying to heat it up, did not keep it warm, so I don't know. But as you can see, Damara is wasting my food, so we're gonna have to get her a new little plan of her lunch meals, because she could have made this at home and she could have ate this. But that's how they did, and of course she drank her juice. And that's how they did for today, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys, and today is Thursday, and this is what they're taking in their lunch today. Damarion's gonna have this cookie and cream yogurt, and he's going to have these Nutri-Grain apple. It's called the Nutri-Grain bites in the apple, awesome apple. And then he has these turkey and Swiss cheese pinwheels. I gave him some pickles, some grape and apples. His apples are still down there, and his dip. And that's what he'll have for lunch today. Damara, I packed this oats and chocolate snack pack. She has pinwheels and apples and dip. And she'll choose one of these drinks that she want to take. This Ocean Spray pink cranberry juice, or her usual, the Capri Sun. And we'll see you guys when they get back. Okay, you guys, they are back, and let's see if Damara ate everything. Well, she didn't eat this snack. It's not even open. And she ate all the sandwich and apples and dip. And of course, she drank her juice. See Damarion. He ate maybe 1 or 2 pickles. He ate the apples and the grapes. He ate the yogurt. He only ate, well, I gave him 3 sandwiches, so he only ate half of 1 sandwich. And he ate his, what did he have here? Oh, the Nutri-Grain bar, so he ate all those. And he drank his yogurt. And he had his juicy juice. Okay, we'll see you guys in the morning. Welcome back, guys. Today is Friday, and Damara will be having a Rice Krispie treat. A P3. We're going to try this again. It's just turkey, almond, and Kobe Jack. And then she has, and I don't know why I used this big container. I thought I was going to pack her something else, but at the bottom of this, or top, she's having cheddar white popcorn, strawberries and blueberry, and her flavored water. Damarion will have, that's mine, flavored water, his Pediasure Grow and Gain probiotic fiber. It's in the flavor vanilla. And then he will have strawberries and blueberries, white cheddar popcorn. This is pepperoni pizza, and he will just have a Rice Krispie treat. So that is what they'll be having for lunch today. See you later. Okay, guys, we are back, and it's Friday afternoon. I'm about to see what Damarion ate in his lunch today. And this is how he did. He ate none of the pizza, and maybe it's because we had pizza for dinner from Little Caesars last night, so I probably shouldn't have made him the pizza, but he ate basically everything else that he had. Damara drank some of her water, and she ate everything. She be trying to trick me because she was making it sound like she ate nothing today. But she ate all her stuff, and she's got to clean out her bag. Did it leak?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll clean that out.
You can't put the fruit up here because like the juice leaks up on the side.
But it shouldn't do that.
See, it's all the way in here.
Oh. Well, I don't know about that. Okay, so I have to see about that, but they ate everything. So that was it for the second week of back to school lunches, and we'll see you guys next week.